Hello, hello, hello. Hi, I'm Bree, and welcome to my webinar. So, this is going to be the most unorthodox, controversial, motivational, make money online webinar you've ever been to. So, let's get started. I have a timer, and every 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I'm going to switch everything up. I have no plan. I have nothing scheduled to teach you right now. And right now, I have nothing to sell you. But what I can tell you is I'm not going to give you a theory about, oh, how I came from the bottom and now I'm making this much money and now I'm living the dream. Yeah. Talk is cheap. Yeah. So it's very cheap. So I really don't like to talk a lot because yeah, it's just not worth it sometimes. But today, you're in luck because you have me as your new business strategist. So we're going to strategize how you are going to make some money. Great. So we got the first 2 minutes and 30 seconds going. Hold on. Wait, I'll be right back. Okay. Let's get started. I had to put my phone on the charger because it was going to die. All right, let's get started. So, you want to make money online. That's what you want to do, right? Well, let me tell you. You're going to have to read some books. But lucky for you, I have the best books for business. Now, let's get started. Book number 1, the Holy Bible. Book number 2, the Holy Bible. Book number 3, the Holy Bible. This is the best-selling book in the world. The world. Google it, baby. Like Tiana Taylor says, Google me, baby. She used to sing that song. Remember her? Remember Tiana Taylor? Yeah. She's doing good. She's doing good. She got that song, Never Would Have Made It. So anyways, yeah, by Marvin Sapp originally. He's a gospel artist. Anyways, back to the books. Best-selling book in the world. You know who wrote it? Jehovah Jireh. God. God's the author of the #1 best-selling book in the world. And if you're not reading it, well, good luck. All right. So next, we have Summary and Think and Grow Rich. I'm just going to go ahead and let you know this was probably like $3 on Amazon. $3. Yeah. Oh, and you can get the Bible at the store at the Dollar Tree for $1, by the way. $1. Yeah. It'll probably have a little less stuff in there. It might just be only the New Testament, but just pick it up. It's $1. Yeah. So this one, $3. And this is all you need. It's about 20, 30 pages. Hold up. Timer's going off. Pause. All right. So we got to finish the books up. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Because time is not money, baby. But wasted time is wasteful because God is the author of time. And a minute with Him is worth abundantly, exceedingly millions and billions and quadrillion dollars. Yeah. So anyways, that's why we are spending time with God right now. Hallelujah. Because I don't want to ever waste my time not with my daddy. So, yeah. That's my daddy, Jesus. But anyways, we gotta finish up the books. Okay. So back to it. Summary Think Grow Rich. $3. Every business successful coach is gonna tell you that is the book you need to read. Ask Asia Abstein. She'll tell you. It's the business Bible. All right. So then we have Summary Think and Grow Rich. And this is written by Alan Dibb. The Think and Grow Rich, that was Napoleon Hill. So yeah, back to Alan Dibb. 1-page marketing plan. 30 pages as a summary. I think it's $3. If you're going to be successful in business, you have to know how to market. The best marketer wins. And baby, you don't need a lot of money to be the best marketer. So, anyways, let's get back to the books. And again, the 1-page marketing plan. Because this is the book you need. This one is 70 pages, and I think it's about $6. But anyways, yeah, just in case, you want to go a little deeper. Okay, here you go. Boom. So yeah, Alan Dibb again. And the final book you need is right here. And this is Relational Intelligence. Because 2 minutes and 30 seconds is up. So, Relational Intelligence. And this is by Dr. Darius Daniels. If you want to make it in business, you gotta have good relationships. Because business is a team sport, baby. I don't know what they teach you. Oh, yes, I'm going to start my own entrepreneurship. And I'm going to start this own business. Hold on. We're pausing. I'm going to finish this, and we're going to start the timer again. I don't know what they're telling you wherever in the world. Start your own business. Be a solo entrepreneur. No. Cut it. Quit it. Business is a team sport. Okay? So, we're about to whip you into an athlete. Okay? Because I'm an athlete. And when I play to win. And so do you now. So, yeah. Welcome to the team. This is your first lesson in how to actually start a successful business. And, by the way, I already have a business set up and ready to go. And one of you who's watching this is going to win that business. And it's already done. And I already have the marketing plan for you done and everything. The marketing plan, how you're going to make money, how you're going to get your name out there. I've already set up the pages. I've already contacted influencers. So, baby, it's up to you. All you got to do is use some apps. I'm dancing right now. I'm dancing. Okay. All right, back. We're done. I think that maybe took us out a minute to time. So let's get back to the timer. So we're going to do this probably about 10 times. 10 times 2. I don't know, 20 minutes. So yeah, I don't want this to be longer than 8 hours. Because I'm trying to get straight to the point as soon as possible. My makeup isn't perfect. My hair isn't perfect. But you know what? I'm with Jesus. Can you see him? And he's perfect. So I don't have to be. All right. So we're going to change locations. I'm on an iPad right now. Because I want to be so imperfect in this webinar that you can see through the lies, the scams, and the deceit. Because most people are just telling you theory. They go through this long, boring story about their lives and how they made it and how you can do it too. But they never actually tell you how they actually made the money. They just give you a whole bunch of fluff. I don't like talking to anybody if it ain't about the money. So this is not gonna be a waste of time. So we're 10 minutes in. Ooh. Hallelujah, hey, hey. Ooh. All right, we're gonna breathe really slow. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're back on the timer. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm gonna drink some water real quick. And we're gonna move here. Right here. Well, we're just gonna walk. So